What's up, guys? This is Kyle from Wax Museum, and I am back in Clearwater for the Bay Area Card Show. I'm gonna see what we can find today. I have a feeling if the current trends keep up, it's gonna be a lot of Pokemon and that type of stuff. I'm hoping there's more sports cards in here, maybe find some Pacer stuff. You know, that's my usual goal. So anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I hope you enjoy. Got some of these old MTV Raps cards here. I've seen these before, obviously, but I always like looking through these. Got Public Enemy there, little Flavor Flav. I think I saw a Bismarcky in another row earlier. Young MC. And not MTV Raps, but Teddy Long. Maybe there's an Undertaker in here too, Terry Taylor. And then Star Trek. Not my kind of box really, but I do enjoy looking through it. Part of why I like coming to shows.
First edition red sheets.
Sure, want to look through all this. That's always the challenge here. You want to get a feel for the box, but you also don't want to miss something just because you don't like some of the first things you see. So I'll kind of thumb through. I'll give it some time here.
What's up, stranger?
What's up, man? How are you doing? Good. Did you go to the Rumble?
No.
No?
I had an opportunity to, but it didn't.
Didn't, yeah.
It's still best.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done this box here. Bernard Robinson, numbered to 50 for $35. Like, how do you even negotiate that? But here I am. I keep looking because you never know. You really don't know what you're going to find. All right. same parallel of Luol Deng. Much better rookie at the time than Bernard Robinson. Also had a much better career for 15, so $20 less. So there's that.
So if something really does work.
Yep. Hey, good morning. So I've got a few things here, but I did want to ask you about a couple of them.
Sure.
Because like the McDuffie, the only comp I'm pulling is 22, and I'm not asking to get it for 22,
Yeah.
but I'm thinking maybe there's some a little bit of give there.
There's always a little bit of give. Everywhere you look.
Well, conveniently, the GoPro died right when I was trying to negotiate for that stuff, but ended up being very reasonable, so maybe I should take some of my words back. But I got this entire stack here for $50. So I talked about one of these last week. This is one of the Dragon parallels from 2022 of John Wall. Got a platinum DeJuan Wagner, Sean Elliott refractor. So that none of that stuff's really all that big. This was a nice find. It's one I'd seen before that I thought he had sold because I'd kind of looked for it again. This is a 2018 status parallel of Pau Gasol, numbered to 16, and then this is an OJ McDuffie credentials, numbered to 50. So, like I said, got that whole stack, and there was a $22 comp on that. So, he was reasonable. Got that whole stack for $50.
You gotta fill that space. Better value. That's like $4 more. Like this one, that one.
All right, and then sometimes some of the best buys are not at dealer tables. They're actually friends that walk up to you. So some of you guys know Michael Ham. He's got his own channel. Friend of the channel, nice guy. So he came up, he said, "Hey Kyle, I've got some basketball, some stuff I think you're going to be interested in." So I bought this whole stack from him for $120, which was more than fair. Some of this stuff here at front, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. It's little stuff. It's a Gilbert Arenas numbered to 100. There were quite a few 2003 Topps Chrome Black refractors. We'll get into some better players here in a moment. We've got McDice. This is one I just talked about on the channel. This is probably one I will keep. Got some music in the background here. Artist proof. So it's a Fleer graphic designer, numbered to 50, but Yao Ming refractor, Allen Iverson refractor, Scottie Pippen black refractor, probably the biggest card in the pile, Jason Kidd black refractor, and Rasheed Wallace black refractor. Okay.
So the whole row itself, as like a higher PSA is only like a PSA, or is only like $400 or $500. But when you separate them individually, the price increases significantly.
Okay. Are they like strip cards?
Yeah, kind of. It was literally like almost like a row of stamps, but they were cardboard. So you can kind of fold them over, and they like.
Yeah, when I stand negotiator on that one, he ranged anywhere from, like you said, $5 to like $30. Because there's a bunch of them that had come out recently, like copies, one-offs or whatever.
Realistically, so I can make it.
I mean, I don't know if you send out to get graded, they'll pick you up because all the foils are in. If they come back 9s or 10s, you probably do pretty well. It wouldn't surprise me, Bobby, if I didn't buy some of the boxes from you way back in the day when I was pushing my daughter around in the stroller.
I was thinking more along the lines of 25. Now to give, because these two are 20, and then this drops to 10, and these, this one, and these two are 20. That one was 10, and these two are roughly 5.
I do it at 50. I just figured I'd put it out so you guys give me $30 to take it. I was in a few breaks and then they just sent it to me like a consolation. I was like, that's nice of them. Thank you. Because the box was huge. I'm like, I didn't order something big. I'm like, oh, okay.
All right, so this is the time where I would normally show you everything I picked up. Well, you've already seen everything. I did it kind of in 2 shorter videos earlier on, so I spent $170 total today. Pretty happy with what I came away with. There's a few cards in there that I'm going to PC, and then some other stuff that I think I can move to further my collection as well. I know in the intro video I mentioned the fact that there was probably going to be a lot of Pokemon there today. Didn't seem like there was as much as there has been at a lot of the shows that I've gone to recently. Definitely not like the 60 or 70% that some of the shows have felt like. So anyway, it was a lot of fun today. Today was day 2 of this show. It's nice to know there are still opportunities in those boxes, even on day 2. And sometimes there will be dealers that set up just on the second day. So I probably ran into some of that as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, there are new episodes of the audio podcast that come out every Thursday. And as always, thanks for watching.